This is right outside or inside the town of Taiban, New Mexico. It's about 5 or 6 miles east of Fort Sumner, and I think this is one of those houses that you see a lot on Instagram and stuff. People can get their sunrise shots and stuff, but hey, I'm kind of digging this right here with the clouds and stuff in the background. It's kind of nice. We'll go look inside of it too, since there's no signs or nothing. What could have been an old church? Come here. I know you're scared to come in here. I don't blame you. Watch out for the holes. Here you go. There you go. The desert is always watching. You got that right. Let's go back out. Come on. This is scary, huh? Let's go. Can you make it?